Hey, welcome back guys. I'm back again with another install video. This episode, we're installing the Mishimoto oil catch can for the Subaru BRZ / Toyota 86 / Scion FRS thing. So yeah, let's put it on. This is pretty cheap insurance for your engine to help with oil blow-by in the intake system, to help prevent build-up on your valves and stuff. So something that's very simple, but it really helps your engine in the long run. It's worth having. Like I said, really cheap insurance for your motor. This is a simple kit, comes with everything you need to install, and this is the minimum tools you need. 17mm flathead, 2.5mm Allen wrench, deep socket 12, and ratchet and extension. In order to drain this, all you have to do is unscrew it and pour out your old oil, or the oil that catches in the intake system, the PCV system. And it does have a 50 micron filter. Unfortunately, the Lotus is in the way. It's in a million pieces right now, so I can't move it. Which means I gotta do this outside, in the cold. Luckily it's not too bad outside today. This is my dirty 86, because daily / track car. Can't keep it clean. First thing you want to do is take off this cover. In order to pull this off, take your flathead and push in this little tab in, and it should come right out. Next step is you want to take off this hose on top of your intake manifold. It's on the passenger side, or US passenger side. JDM driver's side. Disconnect it from here, follow it down to the block. I think you can see it, and remove it from the block. Alright, next thing you want to do is take these fittings, screw them into your catch can. Just want to do them about hand tight. Oh, snug. Just don't want to over tighten. You do come with an O-ring to seal it. These are a 17mm. Just make sure it's snug, not too tight. Alright, this next step you can either do on or off the car, which is mounting the can to this bracket. You want to take these 3 screws out and mount it to this bracket. I think in Mishimoto's instructions they have you doing it on the car, but I'm going to do it off the car because I'm less likely to drop these screws into the engine bay and lose them forever. Now that your can is mounted to your bracket, next step is to remove this bolt and this screw from your strip brace. This is on the driver's side. It is a 12mm.
One-handed.
is that? What do you want? You gonna help me? You gonna help me? Where you going? I thought you were gonna help me. Now the toggle is off, you mount the bracket right there. But I need my other hand. Right, the only downside of doing the way I did is mounting it first is this harder to get to those two bolts. Not super hard or anything. You just only need a shorter 12mm or I mean it should probably work. Alright, next step. It comes with two black hoses. One's longer than the other. The longer one, oops, I just dropped that hose down in the abyss. The longer of the two goes from the canister to the block. If you notice, this end's slightly smaller than this end. The fatter end goes on the out fitting on the canister. And I'll go ahead and run these down a little bit, not tight, because in the packaging, I don't know why they gave you such huge clamps. A little bit of overkill. As you see, the long tube goes where it says N on the can, if you can see it. So the bottom one is a little bit harder to get to the clamp, but if you have a longer screwdriver, you kind of go into this wire bundle and kind of get it from the side to tighten it up. Okay, the smaller line is on. This side does not come with a clamp. This side you either use a flat tip or a 7mm. Makes it a little bit easier, a little bit faster, doesn't slip off. Next is to put this little cover back on. See if I can do it one-handed. And as simple as that, see, it's done. It's a nice clean install, goes on very easy, and it's easy to drain it. So all you do is unscrew this bottom portion, you can drain the oil, and yeah, I'm happy with that. Okay, bonus segment of this video, I also picked up some lug nuts to replace these ugly chrome old ones. So yeah, which I'm sure everybody knows how to install lug nuts. Just note about these lug nuts, the key only works for one of the 5. See, the key fits this lug nut, but it doesn't fit the other 4. So you only need a key for one nut per wheel. See how much better those look? So don't forget to subscribe, also follow me on Instagram, and check out one of my other videos. Maybe this one, or that one. Thanks for watching. Peace.